Okay. Whether my opponent Michael said that or called out that we did not define what compassion or cruel were. Actually, that was not bad. Anyways, the arguments are centered around the fact that animals that being tested on have perfect or have suitable living conditions, when in reality they don't. For something to be inhumane, it means to be without compassion for misery or suffering. Clearly, there are obvious examples where animals are put through misery and suffering. Secondly, to be cruel means to be willfully causing pain or suffering to others and feeling no concern about them. A few counterexamples I have to them include nationwide, 100,000 primates are locked up in U.S. labs every year. In various experiments, primates are deprived of food and water for up to 23 hours a day, are bound at the waist and neck on restraint chairs for up to 104 hours a day, are subjected to electrical shocks, and have bullets, electrodes, and other devices surgically attached and implanted. Up to 35% of primates are kept socially isolated, even though they are known to be extremely social animals. This is used in determining behaviors, monkeys, and other apes to apply that to humans who have mental disorders. To me, that sounds inhumane and cruel, and it seems extremely excessive. Furthermore, they claim that the majority or that animals are included under the Animal Welfare Act, when in reality only about 90% of the animals are, or about 10% of the animals are included under the Act. About 90% of the animals used in laboratories fall under the category of rodents, birds, and fish. This includes rabbits, mice, rats, among the fish and birds. These animals are not forced to have the same living conditions as other animals, such as primates and dogs and cats, which means that they are not regulated, which means we don't have specific numbers on them. Just whatever is reported to us, but it's not required. Furthermore, they claim that that drugs that come out of these research are applicable to humans. While there are always cases which do apply to humans, that's not all the cases. For example, 92% of drugs passed by animal tests immediately fail when first tried in humans because they're useless, dangerous, or both. Of course, the animal testing is continued because there have been cases where it has worked. Majority of cases, it does not work. Furthermore, less than 2% of human illnesses are ever seen in animals, and over 98% never affect animals in any way. So why are we wasting our time putting money into testing on animals when we could be testing on human cells themselves and human tissues, which are far more cost efficient and time efficient?